Hey, what's up guys? Today we are going to fix the Windows Update error that you'll get after being infected with a malware. Well, the first sign that will indicate that you are infected is the recommendation from the right side of your Windows that will say to turn on your virus protection. The second sign will be the one from the right side, namely the error that will inform you that something went wrong when you'll try to update your Windows. To fix your computer, after removing the virus, you'll need to reactivate some of your services. To do that, you'll have to press the Windows together with the R button and type regedit in order to access your registry editor. Once you entered the registry editor, you'll need to activate 3 services by typing to the start registry number 2 instead of 4. The location of each of those services is highlighted in my snapshots, therefore this step should be easy for you. Once you have done all those changes, restart your computer, but first don't forget to save this video in order to be able to continue after restarting the Windows. Welcome back. Now, if your update is still not working, you'll need to go to the Microsoft web page with the link above and download and install the latest update as indicated in the snapshot from below. I hope this video will help you. Don't forget to click the like and subscribe button, and thank you for supporting me. Bye!